Do you like the idea of doing pretty much nothing and see your blog or your site or your e-commerce to populate with new articles each hour or every day with an autoblogging tool, a very cool autoblogging tool? Well, this can be for you. This is Journalist AI and I will review this very interesting tool in this video. So stay with me until the end. I suppose it will be a pretty long video. I will do an overview of this tool. I will show you some of the features it has and maybe then I will do some other specific videos. Anyway, you may know I'm always searching for new interesting tools and I really think this is a cool one because it can help you rank your blog or your site without doing pretty much nothing. This is the focus of Journalist AI. They claim to do it with high quality, as you can see here, feature-rich, factual and SEO optimized articles, but as I said, this is the focus of this tool. Automate with Autoblog, so automatic blog publishing with many integrations, not just WordPress but also Wix, Shopify, Blogger, Webfloz, Zapier and so on, with automatic internal linking and automatic external linking. You can write automatically different kind of articles with Journalist AI, the common SEO article or AI news articles or Amazon review articles, or again from YouTube video to blog articles. Then you can upload your own knowledge base, so this AI writing tool can write about your specific brand for your specific needs, and these are just some of the things you can do with Journalist AI. Later I will also talk about plans and pricing, but as always in the description of this video you can find my link. It's a special link because if you use it you can first of all try Journalist AI with 3 free articles, and if you decide to pay for one of the plans, you will get 10% more credits just by using my link. But let's go inside. Let's take a look very quickly at this very simple and easy interface. You don't have too many options. This is the articles generation section. This is where you generate single articles, and as you can see here you can generate an SEO article, AI news article, YouTube video to blog post and Amazon single product review. I'm pretty much sure they will also add other type of articles in the future. You can generate by choosing different ways. From one title, you need to insert the title or use AI to suggest the titles. From keywords, so you can include one or more keywords to generate this article. A description, so you can just describe the content you want to generate this article, or this is new keyword plus title, so you can include a focus keyword and a title if you already want to use something specific. Or you have this option, the keyword monitor. This is interesting because you can create different monitors. Let's say I have a website, I connected my test website. Journalist AI scans for my website and monitors already existing keywords, and it gives me suggestions for new article based on what I already have on my site. This is very interesting. Then I can select monitor keywords, top 1, top 3, top 5 and so on, only if I use this monitor. And then I have different options here to generate an article. I can decide if I want just the simple options, the basic options, where I can only choose the language of the article and the quantity of the articles I want, or I can switch on these advanced options. Content with many more options, the language, the target country, the creativity, the tone of voice, point of view, formality with different options, custom instructions if I want, keywords, and so on in this content section. The knowledge, if I want, I can upload a specific knowledge for my brand or for my site. I can decide if I want to connect to web, so Journalist AI will search on Google for similar topics to generate up-to-date content, and here is where you can upload a specific custom knowledge. This is really cool. The formatting section, you can decide if you want bold words, italic words, tables, quotes, and lists. These are options we can find in many AI writing tools. The structure, here you can include a specific call to action in this article if you want. You can choose if you want key takeaways, conclusions, and FAQs, the article size with the number of headings. Then you have internal linking, and here you can add your sitemap. Journalist AI will automatically include internal linking for your site or for your blog. You can also choose to have a filter pattern or exclude pattern. You can test and preview links, and you can decide how many links you want for each H2 and so on. Then you have the external linking. Again, you can add links by yourself if you want to include specific links, or you can use these automatic external links. You can include external sources and you can exclude external sources. The images section, you can enable or disable the future image. You can choose the image provider. These are AI images and these are non-AI images. You can decide the size, the number of in-article images, the base style for AI images, and the extra custom styling if you want. Finally, the videos section, you can decide if you want to include automatically YouTube videos into your article. So these are all the options, and these options are specific for the SEO article. If I change here on AI news article, as you can see, the interface is different because here you have the news topic. They suggest to use short tail keywords, so this would be a long tail keyword, but as you can see, between what happened to Donald Trump or Donald Trump controversy, they suggest to use something like this, or just crypto instead of tips for trading. The target country, and here you just have the content, the language, and sources if you want to add specific sources. Then in the YouTube video to blog post, you just have the option of including a YouTube video URL and Amazon single product review. Obviously, you need to include this Amazon product URL, and if you are an affiliate for Amazon, you can also include your tracking ID. It will be automatically included in your links into the article. I think I will do different videos where I show you all these kind of articles with Journalist AI, because I don't want this overview video to become too long. Anyway, this is the single article section. You also have the history here. I don't have nothing at the moment, and all articles. Again, here is where you can find the list of all your articles. Let's go to customization. Here is where you can create presets. Let's say you want to create a new preset. You can choose some of these options and create a specific preset you can reuse many times. So maybe you want some articles with specific features, you create your preset, and when you write articles here, you can choose load preset. And here is where you choose your presets. This is the customization part, very easy to understand. You have the blog automation, and here is where you create a new auto blog. First of all, you need to integrate your site here in integrations. As you see, I have my test site, I already integrated it, but if you choose new integration, you can choose between WordPress, wordpress.com, Shopify, Ghost, Wix, Webfloz, Blogger, Squarespace, Zapier, or webhook URL, and again I suppose they will add others. Here is very simple, you just need to follow instructions and you will be able to connect your site. You have indexers. This is very cool because all the articles generated with Journalist AI one by one or with autoblogging will be automatically sent to Google and indexed, so you don't need to do anything even in this case. Just to show you very quickly, you need to connect your Google account, obviously. So new indexer, let's call it ShoppyGood indexer, and then I just need to connect to my Google Search Console here. And again, by following instruction, just a few seconds, and I'm connected with Google. You can create different indexers because you don't have limits on how many sites you can connect or how many blogs and how many Google Search Consoles you can connect here. You have the publications section, no publications at the moment, and you have the keyword monitors. This is the one I showed you before here in this article section. With this option, keyword monitor, this is the keyword monitor I made just some minutes ago, ShoppyGood monitor, and I just want to show you what it is. If I click here, again, you can create a new monitor and connect basically connect your site. This is the keyword monitors, and as you can see here, based on the content I already have on my site, I have some suggestions. So these are all suggestions for new articles, and I think this is very cool. I have the monthly searches and the difficulty. I don't really know at the moment if this difficulty number is reliable or not, but as you can see, they are already sorted by lowest difficulty, because if I go down, as you can see, these are the most difficult ones, and these are the easier one to generate articles for. I have the monthly searches here, but this is very useful. I will try to use some of these suggestions, and maybe in some weeks I will be ready to show you what it did for me on my test site. I can also activate the automatic refresh, let's say every week, and this is my monitor. You can also connect your social media automation. Why? Because once you activate your autoblogging, each time Journalist AI will publish an article, a new article on your website, it will publish also the link to your new article on social medias. So you can click on this new social media and connect Facebook, for example, or Twitter. These are the two at the moment you can connect. Again, I suppose you will be able to connect more of them in the future. Now let's go to auto linking. As you can see, you can update your old articles with new relevant links. You can approve the changes manually. And at the moment, only WordPress, Shopify and Webfloz integrations are supported for auto linking. So you can select your website. Here is where you select articles. I suppose I need to click this button. And as you can see now, I have pretty much all my pages here. I can select each one of these articles or select them all if I want, and then I can set configuration with internal linking and external linking. I can add my sitemap here, test and preview links. Okay, so this is my sitemap, and that's pretty much it for internal linking. This work will be done automatically, and here I will use external linking automatically. Okay, so before I need to choose at least one article, so let's say I want to just choose this one for the sake of this example. And again, I will click on generate. It's working, as you can see here. Now it's done, let's check it. Okay, so it's saying there are no suggestions yet, but the article have been analyzed and is ready to receive links. So I suppose I need to do the same exact thing with all my articles. Okay, so I selected all my other articles, I excluded the sitemap and the pages, and I will do again this audit by click on generate. As you can see, it's the first time I'm testing and using this tool, so I'm pretty much trying to understand exactly what I need to do in order to generate automatically internal links. Okay, it's done, and as you can see, this time I have some suggestions. So I have the suggested anchor text, I have the suggested target link, and I have my article title. Now this is just to show you this auto-linking section. Obviously, when I will write new articles, this will be done automatically. So external links and internal links will be automatically included in my new articles. This process is just for existing articles, and as you can see here, I have this anchor text highlighted in the paragraph I should use to include this link. Okay, I know now you want to see autoblogging in action because this was the focus of this review, but in order to show you autoblog, I had to show you all the other options, because autoblog only works if you have a preset. So very quickly, I want to show you the preset I just made some minutes ago, and it's this one. I called it Shopping Good SEO 1. I choose to have SEO article with the keywords, because here is where I need to insert specific keywords. In this case, if you want to use other options, you can do it. Maybe you want to completely automate this process, so you can use a keyword monitor, or you have your titles, so you need this option, and so on. In this case, I want to autoblog 5 articles, so this is a batch of articles, and I choose other options: language, tone of voice, conversational, second person, informal. I choose to have connect to web. I choose some options here, and this is my preset. I included my sitemap for internal links, and I choose to have from 0 to 1 links for each H2. External linking is automatic. Images, I choose to have high quality images, but only for featured image, because if you also want in-article images, you need to use some credits. Here you have credits. These credits are used for generating articles, but also for other internal options like this. For example, if you want one more image in your article, you will use 1 credit, and so on. The image size is depending on your blog template, and the base style I choose illustration. For the sake of this example, you can choose photographic or other style of images, and I choose to have videos into my content. So this is my preset. I need the preset because here in the autoblog, the only option I have is to choose one preset. So Shopping SEO1. I can give a name to this specific autoblog batch of articles. So this is my name for this example, and I can choose the quantity. I will say 5 articles. I want them published every day, but you can also choose every 6 hours, 12 hours, and so on, today's, week, month. And you can randomize the hour. If you don't want articles to be published all at the same hour, you can choose this randomize feature. I put it at 1 hour. This will make your publishing articles more natural, more human. And you need to choose your integration. This is the only one I have. So I just need to click on Create New Autoblog. And that's it. It's paused. So I suppose I need to go here and click on this Start Now button. Okay, my autoblog is started. So now I will have 5 articles published, 1 per day at a random hour, and as you can see, it's generating my first article. Now I will pause this video and I will show you the result of this first article. Okay, I just realized I made a mistake here, because as you can see, I already have my all 5 articles with the status published, because I misunderstood this field, quantity 5. This means every day I will publish 5 articles. This field, in my case, should be 1, so 1 article every day. But anyway, I made this mistake because it's my first time using Journalist AI. Anyway, I have my 5 articles ready. The titles used by AI contain my main keyword, so I'm pretty happy with them. Now, I manually scheduled my other articles because I made this mistake, but as you can see, my first article is already published. And here it is. This is my future image. I pretty like it. This is AI generated with high quality. So let's click on the article so we can take a look at it. This image is fantastic. I really like it. Then obviously, if I want, I can go into my article, edit it, and maybe include other images or other things. But anyway, let's take a look at this article generated by Journalist AI. You can stop the video and read it by yourself while I scroll it. As always, we have an introduction. This is the table of content. This is a plugin I have on my blog. I have the key takeaways here, and if you want, you can format these key takeaways with your template, understanding pesticides and their risks. Then I have a list of harmful effects of pesticides. Interesting. The dirty dozen. This is another numbered list. I have a quote. I like this. And again, I have other sections here. This should be a table. Maybe in this case I needed to manually edit it better as a table using maybe some other kind of formatted block, but anyway, this is a table. I would like if they would be able to already format this as a better visual table, but maybe this will be improved. And here we have a link. This is an internal link. In this case, it's pointing to my homepage, probably because I don't have any other article where this internal link it's ideal to point at. Again, let's go down with other sections. This is another link, and this is an external link. Let me check. Okay, so it's a authoritative external link. Very good. And here I have a YouTube video related to my blog post, how to wash off pesticides on vegetables, and again some tips with lists. Here is another link, it's another external link, here it is. I have many quotes, I like these ones in my articles, and again the conclusion and the FAQ section with a bunch of FAQs. Not bad at all, I will say. Now you can obviously read all these articles to see if you like the quality, but imagine to have each day one of these articles or more than one of these articles made for you. You can also choose to not publish them directly, but just to upload on your blog as a draft. Then you can check if you like these articles and approve them one by one, but let's say 90% of the work is already done. Maybe here you need to edit something like this table, or add some internal images, or check if the links are good for you, if the YouTube video is good for you, but 90% of the work is done for you. When you click on one of these articles, you can go to this social media section, so you can share on social media manually, or if you set up this social media automation, it can do it automatically. So if you want, you can share your articles directly from here on your social media platform. And here in the all articles section, below articles, you can see all the articles you have generated. You can choose one of these. If you click on the article, you can also edit this article. You can create a revision before uploading it on your blog. You can see all the things of the article, you can see the quotes, you can see the YouTube video, you can download your article, you can send it to integration, even if you produce them one by one. You can give your feedback to Journalist AI to say if you like this article or not. This will make this tool even better going forward. You can add tags if you want, and so on. And here you can see the featured image. Again, this is AI generated, and I just want to show you the super high quality. Yes, this text is not perfect, but again, this is pretty good as an AI image. Let's check this other article. Let's take a look even at this. Again, this text is a little bit wrong, but the image is pretty good. Okay, so this is how the autoblog feature works here in Journalist AI. 90% of the work is done for you, and it's pretty easy to publish a blog today with these kind of tools. And yes, now it's time to talk about prices and plans. So here in the home page, you can scroll down, and this is the plans and pricing section. You have two different options here. You can choose to have a subscription, or you can choose the pay-as-you-go solution, depending on how many articles you need. Yes, it's not super cheap, but it's automating all your work, or 90% of your work. So these are the monthly prices, and remember, if you use my special link, you will have 10% more credits, so add 10% here at this number. The solo plan is $59 monthly. I think for the most of you this plan will be enough, because you have pretty much all the options with Google Auto Indexing, Connect to Web, internal and external linking, unlimited auto blogs. You have 150 languages, because this works with any language. You have AI images, YouTube video, auto keyword research, and up to 500,000 words every month. So this can be the plan many people would use, with 100 credits per month, plus 10% if you use my link. If you need more, obviously you can go up, credits are doubled, you also have one sub-account. In this case you have auto-linking, personal brand knowledge bases are only available for this plan. You can automate social media, you can use custom images directly here, you have a faster generation time, webhooks, and double of the words monthly. Or if you are an agency and have clients, this can be the plan for you. Now, the yearly plans obviously give you a very big discount, 30% off, so these are the prices for the yearly plan, and again you can just watch this table. Or again you have this pay-as-you-go solution. This works with the solo plan options, so as you can see here, includes all features in solo except integrations. With the pay-as-you-go you don't have integrations, so I suppose you can't use autoblog, but you can generate articles, credits do not expire, and the price for credits is 80 cents per one credit. So just to show you very quickly, here is where you can top up credits inside the platform. With $20 you have 25 credits and so on. So you can also use this solution if you maybe don't write too many articles each month. And again, this is a professional solution. Imagine to have this plan with 200 credits each month. These credits don't roll over, but with 200 credits per month plus 10% credits, if you use my link, you can generate, I should say, at least 100 blog articles per month, if you also use credits for images and so on, or up to 200 articles. So if you have 1, 2, 3, 5 blogs, this plan should serve you very well. And again, if you are an agency, you have clients, you have unlimited projects, unlimited sub-accounts, external API, live chat on Slack, and many more words per month. This is Journalist AI. I will do other videos because I want to show you some of these specific features. For example, I want to show you the AI news article, the YouTube video to blog post, the Amazon single product review. And this is why I suggest you to subscribe to my channel, so you will not lose these other videos about Journalist AI. And if you want, in the description you find my link, my special link, 10% more credits. You can try it out for free with 3 free articles, so you can see if you like it. Again, sorry for this very long video, but I think it was worth it. If you enjoyed it, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you want, you can click directly here to see my other contents. Thank you very much, and I'll see you very soon with the next video.